Hi everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Look at this black Mamba, 1973 Chevy Camaro. Black, black, black all the way through. This car was built to drive, not to sit around. It was once a 350. Now it's got a nicely cammed 400 built. Sorry about my shadow in there. Front disc brakes, air conditioning, power brakes, power steering, nicely detailed inside. All your hoses, headers, belts, real nice. Real nice. Seems to be all the panels are original on it. Look at that face. We call it the Black Mamba. Close this up real quick. So the matte black is painted on stripes on the hood, blacked out bumpers, which are in great shape. Couple little chips in the front in here, but nothing bad. It's got all the look in the world with the split bumper. Look at that from the side. Sitting on 18-inch tires and wheel package that are fresh. Gaps out good. This is a driver. I just got done driving it. The thing cruises at 85 and just wants to stay there. It's a driver. It's got a 10 bolt in the back. Couple little chips through the paint here. Roof line is good. All your chrome has been blacked out. Black stripes, matte black on the trunk as well. Black bumper. Gothic going on here. Panels look good. Shines up well. Got a great stance. All your lights are blacked out. Hey everybody, Earl. No paint flaws on this side. Sorry about the wind. The paint is good. It's not great. I'm not calling it as the show car, but it's not priced as one either. I'm going to have over 100 photos on our website, full description again, with all our other cars are out there too. Take a look at this interior, real clean. All your weather stripping's good, trunk is clean, all your belts intact, rear deck good. Dome light working. No stories inside, nothing to talk about. Interior's great. Door panels are good. Now, digital gauge all the way throughout. No cracks in the dash. It's got a built transmission, nice little cam in there. Like an old school Bluetooth radio now. And tilt steering wheel. Let's take a listen to her. Great sound, great cruiser. So, just so you know, we've got over 170 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. We're located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Now, warehouse hours are from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. If you have any questions on any of our cars, you could always give me a call. I'll give you my number in a minute. We do offer special financing with good credit. Minimum down 10%. We'll go as far out as 180 months. Shipping all over. Nice sound. Shipping all over the United States. You could reach me if you have any questions or want quotes on shipping or anything on our cars. My name is Earl. 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, mgmclassiccars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll have more videos coming out shortly. Everybody enjoy this beautiful day. Thank you.